Daily English practice. Come back. Come back. Give me some time. Give me some time. You are wrong. You are wrong. You are right. You are right. I remember. I remember. I don't remember. I don't remember. You can trust me. You can trust me. That is not true. That is not true. That is true. That is true. I am not ready. I am not ready. I liked it. I liked it. I didn't like it. I didn't like it. I will come again. I will come again. Be careful. Be careful. Please subscribe and share if you like my videos.